Hello, I am Dr. Sujoy Dasgupta, consultant in reproductive medicine and surgery in Genome Fertility Center, Kolkata. Today, we are going to discuss about low AMH. Sometimes we get to see the couples are coming to us with the report showing low AMH, that is low quantity of anti-Mullerian hormone. So what to do? First of all, please remember we are here to treat you. We are not here to treat any report. Therefore, only AMH cannot decide the mode of treatment. And therefore, please remember, low AMH does not always mean IVF, and low AMH does not always mean that you require egg donation. So, what we should do? First of all, we should see the overall scenario, the age of the woman, how long you are trying for pregnancy, the condition of your tubes, the condition of the sperms of your husband. Next, AMH means the number of eggs in the ovaries. But the number of eggs in the ovaries, what we call ovarian reserve, does not only depend on AMH. We have to see the age, because age is the most important thing which determines the number of eggs in the ovaries. Second is AMH. And third thing is what we see in ultrasound by TVS is called AFC, antral follicular count. That is, we see the number of eggs in the ovaries by doing TVS. All of these help us to take the decision. If you are quite young, that is your age is less than 35, your husband's sperms are okay, you have not been trying for pregnancy for a long period of time, your tubes are okay, then we can try short period of treatment with ovulation induction followed by IUI. If that fails, then we have to go for IVF. Remember, if your AMH is low, it does not always mean you require IVF or egg donation, but at the same time you have to remember, if your AMH is low, that means we have to expedite the treatment, that is we don't have much time left, that is we have to expedite the treatment. Now, on the other hand, if your age is on the higher side, if you have low AFC, if your husband's sperms are not good or tubes are not okay, then depending on what treatment you previously received, it's preferable that you should not delay IVF in that case. Therefore, only AMH cannot decide the mode of treatment. Now, when the women with low AMH, they are going for IVF, they are asking, doctor, whether I should try IVF with my own egg, that is self egg, or I should go for egg donation. Remember, there are three things you have to remember: success rate, cost, and the acceptability. Success is always better with donor egg, but that does not mean that with donor egg all women will conceive. The cost is slightly lower with donor egg, because if you are trying with self egg, and if that fails, then you are going for donor egg, the overall cost will increase. But on the other hand, we encourage all our patients first try with your own egg, because if that succeeds, nothing is better than this. If that fails, then you can consider egg donation. Therefore, if you have low AMH, don't worry, but don't waste your time. Consult with your doctor, and we'll see all the reports of your husband and you, and we'll see the age and other parameters. Then we'll discuss the mode of treatment. Thank you for watching this video.